Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the continuation of words often confuses. Okay, we were looking at lovable and lovely. What is the meaning for lovable? Worthy of love. Children have lovable innocence. Okay, lovely, nice. It indeed was a lovely present for her. Next one, momentous and memorial. What is the meaning for momentous? Very important. The momentous occasion has come and we must be there to celebrate this. Very important occasion. Memorial meaning a building in the remembrance of somebody else. Take for example, the Bradman Memorial Trophy is likely to start at some point. Next one, refuge and refuse. What is the meaning for refuge? Shelter. Refuse, rubbish. After partition, millions of people became homeless and had to find refuge in alien lands. Okay, here refuge meaning taking shelter, taking home. And then next one, rubbish. Don't scatter the refuse carelessly. It is uncivilized behavior. Next one, exceed and exceed. Exceed meaning surpass and exceed meaning agree. His behavior has exceeded all limits. He finally acceded to the idea of discussing the sensitive issue. Okay. Next pair, allusion and illusion. What is the meaning for allusion? Reference. Illusion, deceptive and appearance. Okay, deceptive meaning fake. Take for example, if you can interpret some of the illusions in his poetry, you can actually understand Eliot. The next one, illusion. Don't have any illusions. Be realistic and practical. Illusions meaning fake appearance. Next one, duel and duel. Duel means double. Duel means fight. These days, many students pursue or dual degree course. Next one, the movie relates to the duel between the two brothers. Next one, eminent and imminent. Eminent meaning prominent and imminent meaning about to happen. Take for example, the eminent scholar, prominent or reputed scholar delivered the keynote address at the conference. Next one, the imminent disaster is likely to sweep out the country. Imminent disaster is nothing but impending disaster, the disaster which is going to happen very soon. That is the meaning for imminent. Next one, collision and collusion. What is the meaning for collision? Clash. The 30 passengers died in the collision of the bus. Okay, clash of the bus. Next one, collusion, secret agreement. The leader is said to have been in collusion with the smugglers. Collusion meaning secret agreement with the smugglers. Fair and fair. Here it is called homonym because the words are different but the sound is same. This fare means travel charges or charges. This fare means just, being just. Take for example, the train fare will be reimbursed. Okay. Look at the next example. Be fair, be just to others. Next one, illicit. Here you may attempt to call it as illicit. No, it's illicit, meaning to draw an answer. Take for example, when the students are listening to you, you can't elicit and answer for questions. Next one, illicit, unlawful thing. The actor's illicit relationship with the junior artist was much publicized by the media. Next, hoard and hoard. Again, this pair is another homonym. Example, hoard, the first one meaning accumulative, in the second one meaning group. Man always intends to hoard more and more, meaning accumulate, store more. In the next one, group, the horde meaning the group, the crowd rushed into the hall the moment gates are opened. Next one, Ingenious, meaning imaginative, creative. Give ingenious answer in the interview and get the job. Next one, ingenious. Ingenious, meaning lacking imagination. Take for example, answer ingeniously and people start laughing at you. Next one, persecute, meaning punish. Look at this one again, another homonym, persecute, to induct and charge. He was persecuted right in front of the crowd. Okay, persecute. The court has given permission to persecute the chairman of the selection board, meaning indict and charge. Next one, here taking a person to court. Here punishing, giving corporal punishment. Next, pray, praying God. It is considered good to pray in the morning. Next one, becoming a victim. This pray meaning becoming a victim. Though he struggled well for a while, he finally fell a prey to his circumstances. Next one, prescribe and prescribe. Okay, prescribe and prescribe. What is the meaning for the first one? To direct, to prohibit. Take for example, the medicines that the doctor has prescribed are not available. Okay, look at the next example. To prohibit, the doctor prescribed sugar so that he could control his diabetes. Next one, drought and drought. Drought means small quantity, drought means wanting of rain. A refreshing draught of breeze soothed my tensed nerves. Next one, some part of India or the other faces drought almost every year. Next one, compliment and compliment. Okay, compliment and compliment. Example, regards. This compliment meaning regards. Wherever she goes, she is complimented for her sincerity and alertness. Next one, compliment, something that completes the other. Okay, completing thing. The husband and wife have a complementary existence in social life. Next one, zealous, meaning enthusiastic, zealot meaning fanatic. The zealot crowd welcomed, very enthusiastic, happy, excited crowd welcomed the singer. Okay, with a thunderous applause. Next one, fanatic meaning something eccentric. The zealots are hard to please. Next one, deceased meaning ill and sick. This deceased meaning dead. The deceased dog was kicked out of the house. And the next one, the parents of the deceased had to fight to climb the body, meaning the parents of the dead one had to climb the body. Okay, thank you for listening the lecture video, and if you have any doubt you can always ask me. Thank you.